Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. So I want to kind of cater to beginner moms who didn't get a chance to meet with a consultant to do like a tutorial with them. For beginner moms, what you want to do first is hand express. This is gonna get the milk to shoot out of you, you know? So I have like this little balloon. Pretend this is a breast. I don't know guys, I'm trying here. This is your breast, right? It's filled with milk, even if your breasts don't look large, or maybe they are large, maybe they're engorged and like swollen and painful, whatever the case may be. For hand expression, that's just to get your milk started, which is when we're manually getting our milk ducts ready and milk might start dribbling out. The letdown phase is when your baby is nursing on you and they're just starting to latch and they suck really quickly and a little softly, not too hard. They're just trying to get like, what is this? Let's get this milk out. So it's stimulating your breast to produce an expression of milk. The pump is trying its best to mimic your baby. So the first thing you want to do when you're using your pump is find the letdown phase. If this sounds confusing, it's okay. You'll get to know it more when you continue to use your pump. So for hand expression, you want to first like massage around your nipple. Some people say do it for a certain amount of minutes. Some people say do a certain amount of massages, whatever you want. You can also knead, just kind of like you're kneading dough if you're a baker. It's different ways people massage the breast, whatever feels soothing and comfortable for you. Then you want to pull back a little bit, not directly on your areola, not on the nipple. You want to go slightly above, make a little C shape, and you would press back, squeeze a little bit, you know? Press back, squeeze a little back, squeeze a little back, squeeze a little. It shouldn't be painful. Some people recommend to do this like maybe 30 times. It just depends. You're just prepping your milk. You might see some milk squirt out, you might see none, but this is just letting your breast know you're about to get down to the feeding, okay? There's so many videos on YouTube on how to hand express. There might be times where you cannot pump and you cannot nurse your baby, and that means that a lot of milk is going to be stored in your breast, and it's thinking like, I'm supposed to come out. It's 3 o'clock, that's usually when she feeds or pumps, so they get stuck in your breast, and sometimes it gets really hard and your breasts become engorged. And you want to have some heating packs. Stick them in your bra just to warm up your breast and get the blood flowing and the milk ducts being a little bit more relaxed instead of being so tense and hard. I say all of this because you want to make sure you have a schedule where you're pumping, because if you don't remind your breast or stimulate your breast, it might start to decrease your milk supply. So it's going to think, you know what? 2 days in a row, she didn't pump every 2 hours, so let's decrease a little bit. Your milk tries desperately to match the needs of your baby, so if it's not feeling that sucking sensation every 2 hours, it's going to decrease its supply. It'll probably even go in a letdown mode. You might feel a little zap or something, and it'll remind you, oh no, where's my baby? It's so cool the way your breasts work with your baby, like the connection there. It's amazing. Like even though you're not nursing your baby, your breast will start to tingle and it'll let you know, oh, my baby's hungry right now. But it's important to pump on a schedule, the schedule that matches your baby's desire to eat, and the schedule that fits your baby's needs, and of course fits your daily life and routine. If you're going to be pumping often or exclusively pumping, and you want to get this, oh my goodness, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, but it's like the #1 brand recommended for nipples. Oh, this nipple cream, amazing, to die for. It soothes and protects your nipples because it can be sore from pumping or breastfeeding, and it's natural and safe for the baby. So you might wonder, like, if I put this cream on, what if I have to breastfeed him when he wakes up and the cream is salami? You know, just let it sink into your skin. And it's 100% natural and hyperallergenic, so if it does get into the baby, it's okay. It's pretty safe. But you just want to use a pea-sized amount, not too much, just like a little pea size on your fingertip, and put it before showering or after you feed or after you pump, and this is just going to keep your nipples soothed But I hope this video helped you. If you want to see more tutorials and videos just like this, let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe for more. Congrats on being a great, beautiful, amazing mama who wants to have all the research and information they can before or while their baby is here.